What's up, guys? We have a review of this pistol right here. I don't know what it's called, but you know, I just thought I might as well. This is from this tree to over to that target, so it's probably about 20 feet. So here we go. We're gonna do like 9 shots or something. Go ahead.
Ouch! Nice!
Alright.
Yeah!
Keep going. It's 2.
Ah.
This is a brand new sheet of paper, by the way. Alright. Alright, and that's the review of this random pistol. This is the shooter right here. What's your name?
Josh.
Josh. Alright. Now also go check out Tactical Airsoft and Crazy Reed for airsoft videos.